We will now determine how to find the supply function P of x when we are given the marginal price of x thousand units of a new meal item is supplied. So P of x is the price in dollars per unit and x is the number of meal units sold in thousands. And currently we are given 3,500 units are supplied at a price of $1.9 per unit. So let's see how to determine the function P of x. Let me copy the P prime of x, which is the marginal price. This is given as x over x plus 3 quantity square. So to get P of x, we have to integrate both sides. Integration of P prime of x is P of x. In this side, we have to integrate the rational function x by x plus 3 quantity square dx. We'll now use substitution method to integrate the right side. So I'm going to make substitution u equals x plus 3. And this implies I can take differentials on both sides. So I get du equals dx. And this also implies I can solve for x using this when I subtract 3 on both sides. So u minus 3 equal to x. I'm going to make this substitution into this p of x. So it will be converted to u function. So therefore this is equal to, in place of x, I'm going to replace u minus 3. And for dx, I'm going to replace du. And for x plus 3, I'm going to replace it as u. So therefore this will become u squared. So this is what we have to integrate. It's completely in terms of u. So I'm going to split this into two fractions. First, this is u over u squared minus of 3 by u squared, like this du. Now I can simplify both fractions. This can be, the first fraction can be written as 1 by u minus of this I can write down in exponent form as 3u power minus u times du. Let me rewrite this as two integrals. This is equal to 1 by u du minus 3 times of u power minus 2 du. I'm taking out the 3 in front of the integral, which is a constant. So this will give integration of 1 by u du is natural logarithm of u, absolute value of u. Remember that we have the formula. If you integrate 1 by x dx, this is equal to natural logarithm of x, absolute value. And this for the second integral, we can use the power rule. That is, we have to apply the power rule. When you do that, we add 1 to the power and divide by the same quantity of the power, minus 2 plus 1. And we also put the constant of integration plus c. So the next step, let me simplify this. This is natural term of u, absolute value, minus 3 times of u power minus 1 divided by minus 1. We have to multiply this. So now, let's simplify this. Natural logarithm of absolute value of u. This minus and minus will become plus. So therefore, this becomes plus 3. U power minus 1, I can write down this as 1 by u. So therefore, this becomes 3 by u plus c. Now I can replace the u, which we did in the substitution, u equal to x plus 3. So therefore, this is going to become natural logarithm of x plus 3 absolute value plus 3 by x plus 3 plus c. Our next task is to determine the value of this constant of integration c using the given information. That is, we have to use this information 3,500 units at $1.9 per $9 per unit. So this is basically x and this is p of x. We know that x is in thousands, so therefore 3,500 we can convert into thousands. We divide by 1000, so therefore this will become 3.5. So this is the value of x, and p of x, this is equal to 1.9. So we plug in this information into our p of x function, x equal to 3.5 and p of x equal to 1.9. Let's do it here. P of x equal to 1.9, so we plug it on the left side, and x equal to 3.5. plus 3 absolute value plus 3 over 3.5 plus 3 plus c. So when we simplify this, we get 1.9 natural logarithm of 6.5 plus 3 over 6.5 plus c. We can plug this into the calculator and solve for c. And after plugging this into the calculator and solving for c, we get the value of c equal to negative 0.04. So we have to plug this into the p of x equation. This is our p of x equation. And when we do that, we get the final p of x as natural logarithm of x plus 3 absolute value by 3 by x plus 3 minus 0.04. We substitute the value of c as negative 0.04. So this is the p of x function, which means we have answered the part A of this question. We will now answer part B, which asks for the price when 10,000 meal units are supplied to the restaurant. So let's first convert this into thousands of x. So basically x equal to 10,000 divided by 1000. So this means x equal to 10. So we have to find the price when x equal to 10. We just have to apply this into the p of x function. So we plug in x equal to 10 and find the corresponding p of x. That is, we have to find p of 10. So let's do that. We put p of 10. This is equal to natural logarithm of 10 plus 3, which is 13. This in fact is natural logarithm of 13 plus 3 by 10 plus 3 is again 3 by 13 minus of 0.04. So we can plug this into the calculator, and after doing that we get approximately 2.4. This is should be in dollars, so you can put this as dollar 2.4 per unit. So therefore the price at when x equal to 10,000 units is $2.4, which means we answered the part B question as well. This is $2.4.